Sarap. Maghaw lang tayo. Look at that. Like, wala ako ganito nung bata ako. Okay. Kanin.
Should I split this in two for them? Or should they have them taste it first?
Yeah, split it too.
Split two?
Oh, they can share more, I think. Or let them try first.
You just went through the exact same things I asked you. Give me two choices and you
Sarap.
repeat them back to me.
Thank you for cooking, Moo. Right, so we're going to Carnival.
Ano, banana?
Yes.
Sa sini, bananini.
Saan ba half?
Here. Just here.
Sila yung kasama ko. And may kuya.
Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Ayan ba video? Hello.
Okay, let's go, guys. Ano pa siya man? Teka, gabi ya? Bukang ka? Sige, matulungan ko. Okay, pabalik kami ngayon sa Palo kasi like I said last time nung last vlog ko, may pa-fix pa kami mga bagay dito sa car na to. Kasi pinipa na pala. Like the aircon, yung signal light, tapos marami pang iba. And then, ayun, an outfit check. Yung top ko is from Ukay. And then yung shoes ko from Luvito. And then yung earrings ko from, I think sa Coron ko ito nabili. And then ito sa Shopee. Forgot the name. Lalagay ko yung ano niya, yung link nito. Anyway, yun yung agenda namin for today. Hindi ako makaupo sa front seat kasi sira yung seatbelt. So, dito ako sa likod. Okay, let's do haul. Grabe, ngayong araw, ang init talaga. Hindi namin napaayos yung aircon kasi dapat pala by appointment tapos kailangan maaga kami pumunta. But ayun, time consuming yung pag-ayos ng signal light. Tapos nagpa-change oil. More than 4 hours kami naghintay para ma-fix lang yung signal lights and tsaka yung wipers. Anyways, magandang haul to. Kaya gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Okay, first is we have gift wrap. Ito. Then, we got watercolor. Oil pastel. Yan. Yung regaluhan pala namin, mahilig siya mag-art. And then, ito yung parang request niya na gusto niyang ma-receive. Ganda siya, be. Like, ang cute. Parang gusto ko siyang buksan, ba? Wag na lang. Mag-haul lang tayo. Merong watercolor, of course. Merong brush, pencils. Ay, gusto ko tong brand na Crayola. Share ko lang. Meron ako mga napili, pero siya talaga magaling yung asawa ko magpili ng mga bagay-bagay. We got sharpener, ang cute, yellow, favorite color ko. Glitter glue. We have purple, green, blue. Ano bang color to? I don't know. And then another brush. Wow! Dalawang brush. Ito, brush, at saka ito. Diba? Ang galing. And of course, kung meron siya mga ganon, meron din siyang drawing book. Plain lang siya, of course. Alam nga naman. Drawing pad. Itong gift namin na to, parang nahihil yung inner child ko. Kasi nung bata ko, 6 kids kami. Mga parang need lang talaga sa school, yung mga kailangan, yun lang nabibigay sa amin. Pero yung mga gusto namin, hindi masyado. Kaya parang nahihil yung inner child ko. So let's move on! Ito yung pinaka-bet ko. Watercolor pad. Ang ganda niya, be. Look at that. Like, wala akong ganito nung bata ako. Diba? Ang sarap lang sa feeling talaga yung spoiled yung mga pamangkin ko. Hindi naman grabe naman kami mag-spoil. Pero parang birthday lang talaga. The last one. Sketchpad. Paper made in France. Whoa! Sana all. I think that's all our haul. Oops! It's for killing you. Lalagay siya ng mosquito dunk para hindi mamuhay yung mga mosquito dyan sa canal. Kung nanonood kayo ng vlog ko, dati wala pa to. Meron dito malaking puno. And then, dito na side, wala pang ganyan. Pinaano na, kami na nagpa-straighten ng kanal kasi para magamit namin yung side na to. Hindi na makasunod ka na pala. Yan, merong
Here!
caterpillar.
One here.
You know, kahakon namin siya kasi mamatay na yun.
Oh, it's got a new shoe. Hold still, hold still. Hold still.
Harry! Harry!
Step on it.
Step!
Yes.
Oh, we can give it to the chicken.
Get them off. Nah. They'll find it if
Okay.
they're not too stupid.
Sorry.
Yeah, we need our plants.
Yeah. Sorry, butterfly. Caterpillar.
Moth. Wow, they really munch it.
Uncle!
Chicks. Yeah.
Well,
Indai's here. Hi, Inday.
Hello!
Take that fish.
Hello.
Gosh, we need to clean up. We're gonna come back and clean up this.
Begini, ba? Muli na kita, tara.
Ulit na. Paano kita kan Maymay?
Yes, it's her birthday. So, after this, papunta kami ng McDonald's kasi we're gonna treat the kids kasi birthday ni Gamay.
Okay.
Ni Chatterley. Chine-check lang namin lahat dito. Mga bagay-bagay. And you're gonna keep this one here, right?
Yeah.
And, Tain, Hali!
What?
Here, take this. Kaya mamuli na kita. Yes. Ayan.
Tommy?
Yes, Indai's. That's one of the reasons why we came is to pick up Indai.
Hello, guys! Welcome to my vlog. We're like, pinapa. Sige, hi vlog. Wait, Anay. Tagal siya, Tin. Tawaray. Sige na, Sige na, Cynthia. Explore ba?
Here, eat this.
Bibili ng cake. No. Magpatog now, yes.
I don't know. They disappeared. I think maybe there's a doggy. The doggy ate it.
Oh, darling, hold my hand.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Go, go, go.
Wish ka ba mermaid?
Getaway holiday.
And right now, you can say birthday girl.
Wake up late, the sun still shines. Left your keys, that's just fine. Take a breath, no need to